Jojolapa, Niva Language Learning, Valentine SMS. For website designing, web application development, software development, please remember Apple Technologies. 9049143886, web address www.atnepal.net. Number 1. I'm mad in your love. Happy Valentine's Day. Ji Changu Matina Le We Jula Valentine ya diya pintuna. Ji Changu Matina Le We Jula Valentine ya diya pintuna. Number 2. You made me mad. Happy Valentine's Day. Chong Ji Ta We Ya Ta Chong Ji Ta We Ya Ta Valentine ya diya pintuna. Number 3. My day is not complete without listening to your voice. Happy Valentine's Day. Changu Sa Monyeshe Jigu Di Hu Wani Makhu. Changu Sa Monyeshe अथवा और मन्यंका Changu Sa Manyanka Jigu Di Hu Wani Makhu. You are my love. Happy Valentine's Day. Cha Jigu Matina Kha. Cha Jigu Matina Kha. You are the flower that will forever bloom here in my heart. Cha Jigu Nu Ga Le Sa Da Wa Igu Waigu Swa Kha. Chajigu Nugle Sada Waigu Swa Kha. Before I meet you, there was nothing in my life. Cha Napole Nyo Jigu Jivan Ye Chu He Moru. Cha Napole Nyo Jigu Jivane Chu He Moru. Happy Valentine's Day to the most beautiful girl. Dakle Balamo Nisa Yata Valentine Ya Din Ya Pintuna. Dakle Balamo Misa Yata Valentine Ya Din Ya Pintuna. My day is never complete without saying good night to you. Jigu Din Chanta Pincha Motheko Gableno Hu Wani Makhu. Jigu Din Chanta Pincha Motheko Gableno Hu Wani Makhu. You are my world. Happy Valentine's Day. Cha Jigu Sansar Kha. Happy Valentine Ya Diya Pintuna. Cha Jigu Sansar Kha. Valentine Ya Diya Pintuna. I cannot repay for your help. Happy Valentine's Day. Cha Yagu Gwali Ji Gableno Pule Fai Makhu. Cha Yagu Gwali Ji Gableno Pule Fai Makhu. शुभ है।